How to find your favorite item on Roblox. The first things first is use up any preferred web browser that you can use, and for this video I'm going to be using Google Chrome. Now just head directly to roblox.com and ensure that you are fully logged into your account. Now accessing your favorites on Roblox is very easy. Just click these three lines located at the left portion of your screen and head over directly to your profile. So accessing favorites is gonna be set out as a filter or category. So just to scroll down a bit and below friends usually, you should be able to see all the favorites that you have added. Now if you would like to have access of all the category from your favorites, then just choose this option here that has the arrow pointing to your right. Now, since you would like to view items from one of your favorites, you can just hover around these options. Like here, say for example, you want to have access with um, your favorite accessories. Just simply click on that, and the items that you have added to your favorites should be able to be visible in here. And that's how you find your favorite items on Roblox.